We took a shot and missed trying to connect the deer blind to the watering hole, but we finally got it. Welcome to our ranch adventures, y'all.
These trees we're gonna cut down, make hopefully a viewing lane from the deer stand to our jacuzzi tub. It may or may not line up. Dad's the one that kind of set the edges on this. So
Whoa, don't blame me. You're the one with the saw in your hand.
we're gonna fix it.
If it's crooked, it's your fault. We are about to find out if this was a good idea or not.
Somewhere in there is Cole with a chainsaw.
Dad marked the trees and his Alzheimer's kicked in, and he missed.
Anything nice to say, you don't say anything at all. You and Dad did it together. Go open the stand, go see your vision, and stop being an ugly turd.
I'm blind in my left eye, so we missed the row. So as you can see here, we missed a little bit. I got like 4 more trees right there to take out. Mom's where the whole entry was. That's where we need to go. Not too bad. Missed a little bit, but it's just more room to plant food plots.
You like your deer blind?
Go see it.
You want to go see your deer blind? Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna get some of this other small stuff out of the way.
Stay.
Yep, we have to be safe.
So as we started taking trees down, we figured out there's a lot more that need to come down that require a bigger chainsaw. So gonna pause for a minute and we'll come back and do it with the big ones. And we need to dig out the watering hole so that it's bigger. All right, so that's what we leave with today.
Man, I don't know what to tell anybody, but that $81 Vevor 12-inch chainsaw is a bad mamma jamma. I got nothing bad to say about Vevor. Budget friendly, but this saw has got hours and hours and hours on it and still running strong, so.
3 weeks later.
We took out any of the other bigger ones.
All right, we got a couple of these trees marked so we can get the shooting lane more clear to this little pond that we made. All right, we'll see if it gets tangled up. Oh, pretty close.
Like I anticipated.
Well, this looks like a mess.
Who made this big mess?
Keep going. Brexton said we need the blue tractor out. Ran out of gas in the dumper. Didn't spill a drop, huh?
Not one.
I'm gonna dig this wildlife watering hole a little bit deeper and bigger. So this tree was a pretty big one, so this will make a good cabin log. Yep, we should be able to get 3 10-foot sections out of it. All right, so now we're gonna get all this chopped up so we can haul it away while Sean is working to expand the little watering hole. All right, brush pile there. Sean's digging dirt. Dumper's ready for our first load. Looks like we're gonna have to burn soon.
Alright, so just checking it out from the stand. Dad's at the front of the pond. Feeder's over here. I think we got it. We'll get all the underbrush cleared up, get all the logs up, and we'll be able to plant through there is the goal, on top of just being able to have the vision. That way a lot of the food plot is out of the trail. A bit more extra to hold the deer. Daddy's gonna do this one.
Good job.
We weren't able to complete the project as intended, but for the most part, the shooting lane has been cleared. Just a little bit of underbrush still left to go. But we stopped and pivoted and just decided to spend some time as a family. That's what the property is for, is making memories. So we enjoyed having family time. Mark, get set, go! When you're driving on your UTV and a tree gets in the way, good job. This way. Thanks for coming to the ranch.
If you like this content, please smash that like button and subscribe. And as always, go have an adventure of your own. Thanks for watching.